guys, Coach Jen here with your Meal Prep Mondays. So today we're going to be talking to you guys about favorite and go-to meal and drink after a workout. So for myself personally, I typically tend to work out at night. So I want to make sure that whatever I have to eat and drink isn't anything too heavy. So when it comes to like a meal, I like to have oatmeal. So these are overnight oats and you can pretty much buy these anywhere. They're super cheap. All you really do is in the morning, I'll add some milk, leave it in the fridge. That way, by the time it comes after my workout, this is ready to go. It's super light. And like I said, it's oatmeal, so it's pretty healthy too. When it comes to my drink, I keep it simple. It's typically tends to just be water. You want to make sure that if you are working out, you are drinking plenty of water. You want to make sure that you stay hydrated and that you're drinking enough since you are exerting so much energy. So let us know what your favorite meal or drink is.
Hey everyone, it's Coach Steven, and for this week's Meal Prep Monday, we decided to do our post-workout meal. So for me, I love eggs, especially scrambled. So I usually, after a good workout, I'll scramble that up. It's usually late night after my workouts. And then I'll pair it with a nice little granola bar just because it has all the extra nutrients that you need to kind of recover post-workout. So those are my two things that I like to eat post-workout after my meal or after my workout. So that's it for this week. Tune in next week for next week's Meal Prep Monday.
Hey guys, Coach Andrew Shea. My favorite post-workout snack, and mine is the Cliff Bar. I like it because it's a quick source of protein and calories.